So you build a RAG system. Nice. User asks a question, you search your vector database, grab some chunks, feed them to the AI. Boom. Answer. Except it's wrong like half the time. But hey, at least it tried, right? All right, here's what's actually going on. Your question gets converted to embeddings. Don't freak out, that just means numbers that represent meaning. Then you search for similar stuff in your database. Semantic search. Grab the top results, hand them to the AI. Done. Sounds great. Works okay, until it doesn't. Here's the problem. You ask for Acme contracts over $50,000, and buddy, it gives you contracts from literally any company. Why? Because all contracts kind of sound the same when you're just checking vibes. Or you're like, hey, show me November meetings. And it's like, here's December. Thanks, super helpful. Don't worry, this isn't your fault. Semantic search just finds things that are similar in meaning. It doesn't actually care about the real data, like the company names, the actual dollar amounts, the dates. That's where metadata comes in. Stay with me here, this is where it gets good. When you're putting documents into your system, contracts, meetings, whatever, you run them through an AI agent first. That agent extracts the metadata. Parties, Acme Corporation. Cool. Contract value, $75,000. Got it. Date, November 12th. Perfect. That metadata gets stored right there with the chunks. Now here's the magic part. When someone searches, another AI agent looks at their question and extracts metadata from that too. Show me Acme contracts over 50K becomes actual filters. Companies that include Acme. Values over 50,000. So now you're doing two searches at once. Semantic search finds content that's relevant. That's the meaning part. Metadata filters apply exact matching. That's the precision part. Best of both worlds. The result? You ask for Acme contracts over 50K, you get Acme contracts over 50K. Not random companies, not $5,000. Exactly what you asked for. Wild, right? Actually getting what you asked for. Look, I know this might sound complicated. Don't worry. I have a full section breaking down the entire build in my community. Every workflow, every prompt, every single node. You get the complete template so you're not starting from zero. You get the step-by-step guide because nobody likes guessing. And you get a production-ready RAG system with metadata filtering that actually works. Link in bio. See you in the next video.